picking an avocado today. So as you can see, we've got lots of different varieties over here. There are dark green ones, there are light green ones, and how do we know which one is ripe? Well, the first thing you want to look for is a skin that's a little bit darker, like this. And if you notice over here, most of the avocados will have a little stem like this. So to figure out if an avocado is ripe, you can just pull that little stem off, and if it comes off easily, like so, then the avocado is ripe. But you also want to be careful, because if that is very brown, then the avocado is too ripe, so you don't want to pick that. Now, when you're picking avocados also, you know that it's ripe or not based on how it feels in your hand. So if the avocado gives just a little bit, just like that, and springs back, it's the perfect ripeness, versus like this, where it's rock hard and you don't want to pick this avocado. So if you're going to use avocados like over an extended period of time, you do want to get some like this and some like this, and over the course of a few days or a couple of days, these will also ripen. The other thing to keep in mind when you're picking avocados is that they tend to ripen with the amount of ethylene that's present. And ethylene is a gas that actually ripens fruits and vegetables. So a little trick here is, if you go to the bottom of this pile, you'll probably find avocados that have been exposed to more ethylene because it has a chance to build up, and you will find a riper avocado towards the bottom. But at the same time, you want to make sure that even though it's at the bottom of the pile, it's not mushy from the weight of the ones on the top. But that's how you pick an avocado.